Hi, this is Dave, and I'm with Miss Marie, and you're watching Harpoon Dreams. Today, we're going to do some repairs real quick, as quickly as possible. We're going to move quickly and try and get things done. Okay, here's your safety glasses, sweetie. You got to wear those, okay? Because we're going to be drilling and then riveting. Okay, now, see, we have this broken bale here that goes to the main sheet block. So the rivets are broken, the heads on the rivets have broken off, and the bale has come down and it's not attached. So the main sheet block could come off just like that. And that would be somewhat catastrophic. So what I need to do, and I don't have a hammer, I need to punch the rivets into the boom like this. That's one. This one's going to be a little more difficult. Got your safety glasses on? Ah, shoot. This. Alright. This needs to drill out. This is what's going to happen here. So I have a whole rivet here. This one's intact, but it's really, really corroded and bad. And it's going to break, so I need to figure out how to remove that one and this head without damaging the, yeah, I wish I had a needle nose right now. I don't think I do.
You can have one for your birthday, a needle nose.
I can ask for one for my birthday?
Yeah.
Okay. I probably will do that. This is going to have to get drilled out, Miss Marie. You ready to do some drilling here? Well, that looks pretty easy. Oh, look at that. There we go. That's one. Oh, look at that. Give me a little gift.
Oh.
All right, here's the next one. This will be easy. Easier than I thought.
It's moving.
Look how easy that is.
If it's somebody who's flying around, we're just working on a boat. You know that? You don't know that? I'm funny faced. Like funny face.
So, I have this rivet gun. It's brand new. I've never used a rivet gun. So, I have to read these instructions. But guess what, Marie? Guess what? Daddy's old. You might have to read this for me, Marie. Do you think you could read this for me? Careful, don't touch the camera. Do you think you could read this for me?
I don't know how to
We'll try. Okay, all right. There's no instructions here, so we're going to have to wing it. First, let's make sure we have the right size rivet. Okay?
Sorry, guys. We have to say goodbye.
Marie, come over here and talk to the camera. We're not sure. We don't have to say goodbye yet. Just a minute. These rivets look like they're the perfect size. And we might have to just wing it, okay? We'll give it a try.
Guys, if we don't know how to use this, we're going to have to watch a YouTube video.
You know what? We might be able to wing it here. You know what's hard? Getting this thing off is hard. I don't know why that won't come off. I don't know what to do about that, except, look at this. This scissors has teeth in it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, man. Did you see that? La, 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 la. Isn't that great? All right, so now we're going to put the right head in, and maybe we'll do a test rivet. Should we do a test rivet? We'll do a test rivet. We'll see how that works. You put the rivet in there. You squeeze the gun. And boom. Uh-oh, there's a problem here now. It was supposed to. I expected it to break off the rivet head. How's that supposed to come off now? What am I supposed to do with that?
Is it a worry back?
Oh, it's supposed to pull it all the way through. Okay, I got it. I got it. Don't panic, people. I got this under control. I need to keep pumping it so it pulls it all the way through, like this. Boom. It's a good thing you had your safety glasses on. See that? That wouldn't really have hurt anybody, but it's a good lesson. Because the rivet shot off the end in her direction at a low velocity, but we don't know. It could have been a high velocity, and it could have hit you in the face. So it's a good thing that reminded us that you should always be wearing your safety glasses when we're working here on the boat, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Look, we're going to put a brand new rivet in here. Watch this. Watch this. This is my first time using a rivet gun. Here we go. Ready? Oh, sweet. Look at that. This is exciting. You know why it's exciting? You know why? Because we can fix this whole thing right now without any help from any experts. Can't believe how well this is going. You know what I mean?
Did you watch Elmo when you were a kid?
When I was a kid, Marie, Daddy's old. When I was a kid, there was no Elmo.
You didn't watch videos of
But the show that's Elmo was on, that show existed, but Elmo didn't exist. Elmo was not a character yet.
You know why?
I can't believe how smoothly this is going. You can take your sweater off, sweetie. Go ahead. All right. Fortunately, the residuals of these rivets, they're aluminum rivets and an aluminum boom. By the way, I was warned by some Harpoon experts, do not use anything but aluminum rivets in these aluminum parts, because the metals, if you use two different metals, they will react badly together and will corrode each other, or will corrode the aluminum boom. So I bought aluminum rivets. Let's double check that they're aluminum. Yep, they're aluminum, see? Fortunately, all the rivets were just the perfect size. I can't believe how smoothly this job is going. This is fun, isn't it, Marie? Isn't it fun doing work when work goes smoothly? Now there's other rivets here that I can see that they're corroded, and that any minute now they may pop. So we're going to replace and drill some rivets.
And see if these pop out.
Ready? Bonk!
There you go.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, see if you can.
This is fun. I don't, that hurts. This little bit of drilling that I'm doing is not really widening the pre-existing holes that were drilled in the parts. What it's doing is it's grabbing the corroded aluminum rivet that used to be there, and it's eliminating it a little bit at a time. It doesn't just do it all in one shot, because I don't want to use a drill bit that's too big that might expand the holes and weaken these bales. So let's see if we can get this one in. I can kind of tell when the corroded aluminum is coming out and real aluminum is being touched by the drill bit. So I'm pretty confident that I'm not actually changing the holes, but rather just removing corroded aluminum that's sticking in there. And we're gonna go take a break. What are we gonna do? We're gonna go get something to drink, and we're gonna play on the playground a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. We'll see you in a little bit. Thanks for watching. Dave again, and I'm here again with Miss Marie. We're still working on the boat. We took a little break. And Marie, we got a box here. You know what this is? This is something called
A boom kicker.
How did you know that?